Let's get to Chris Wyllie, CIO of Connor Broadley Wealth. And, well, Chris, you've been getting yourself in a right old muddle about glisters and glitters and things, quoting your Prince of Morocco from Merchant of Venice. What was that all about? Are you saying that gold's still out of love comparatively to other alternative currencies?
Yeah, it's an interesting one, gold, at the moment, because so much of the gold story seems to be falling into place. So these arguments that it's the ultimate store of value, that you can't manipulate it in the way you can fiat currency with money printing going on, all that seems to point in the direction of gold doing well. And yet it's actually started to lose some momentum. Its highs were actually quite a while ago now, last summer. And so it does seem like the dynamics are changing. And I think the answer really comes down to what's happening to the interest rate complex and the fact that we've seen that longer dated bonds are weakening or have weakened. There's been a bit of a retracement of that this month, but nevertheless, it looks as if we might have seen an inflection point. So I think it's this potential for a push higher in long-term interest rates and real interest rates in particular, which is worrying gold. So there's a battle really going on between those two narratives. And we just feel that, we're not calling time on gold. We just think that whilst those dynamics are fighting their way through, we probably see better ways to play precious metals, and we prefer silver at the moment, which has got industrial applications as well. So with a very buoyant global economy, that's another string to its bow. So that's what we've done. We've come out of gold having been quite keen on it in the last year or two to consolidate on broader commodities complex and silver.